Welcome to Week 1, Healthcare Information Systems. This week you will be given an overview of the different types of healthcare information systems available. Again, some of the major health information systems include EHRs, clinical decision support systems, patient portals which share information with patients, and others that allow the ability to share information within hospital networks and among hospital networks at a regional level. It is important to understand how these systems collect data, as regardless of the physical location of the healthcare provider and the other collaborative team members, everyone must have the same understanding of the healthcare data being collected. Therefore, it is critical that everyone understands the main functions of the health information systems from the historical perspective and today's standard on what is required from health information systems in regards to collecting data for information and knowledge. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by during my office hours or send me an email and we could arrange a time to meet to discuss any questions or concerns that you may have. Thank you.